Your lesson essential question is, how do you use a number line to add and subtract? So we are going to be adding and subtracting using a specific strategy, which is counting up or counting back on a number line. You've seen number lines before. Here's an example of one. Number lines start with the smallest number and they go up to the greatest number. Some number lines start with 0. They can start with any number. And they don't always have to show every number in between. Like as you can see, this one counts up by 5s. Let's talk about adding and subtracting using one of these number lines. Amelia walks 17 blocks before dinner. She walks 8 blocks after dinner. How many blocks does she walk in all? You can use a number line to add lengths. First, show the 17 blocks Amelia walks before dinner, then add the 8 blocks she walks after dinner. So, the question that they are asking us to solve is, how many blocks does she walk in all? The information that's important that's going to help me solve this is, she walks 17 blocks before and 8 blocks after. I see the words in all, and those words tell me that I need to add 17 and 8 together to find a total. Now, when I know that I'm starting at 0 and I'm going all the way to 17, I know that on my number line I'll start at 0. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll mark 17, and they've already done that for us. Now we need to add 8. So that means we're going to start where the 17 is, right here, and just count up 8 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they've marked it for us. You could also count like this: 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 17 plus 8 equals 25 blocks in all. Let's read this one. Amelia buys 17 feet of rope. She cuts off 8 feet of rope to make a jump rope. How many feet of rope does she have left? First, what is this problem asking me to find? All right, yes, this problem is asking me to find how many feet of rope does she have left. What information is going to help me solve this? Okay, you probably said that she buys 17 feet and she cuts off 8 feet. Is there anything in this problem that tells me if I'm adding or subtracting? You probably identified the word left. The word left tells me that I need to figure out what's left after something is taken away. So we can use the number line to subtract lengths. First, we want to start at 17. So when we were adding, we counted up. Now we're subtracting, we're counting backwards. We're going to start at 17. Now I know this is 17 because here's 15. It's marked 16, 17. Then subtract 8 feet of rope that she cuts off. So we count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I see that this is to the left of the 10, and I know the number before 10 is 9. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. Let's try number 2 together. We're starting with 28 and we're taking away 14. So I need to first find 28. So here's 25, 26, 27, 28. And we need to take away 14. Now I can choose to take away 10 and 4, or I can just count 14. So let's count 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's see how many numbers after 10 this is. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 28 minus 14 is 14. I can also see that it's the number next to 15, right before it. So 14.